Today, we're going to talk about a topic that's close to our hearts, the incredible contribution of immigrants to build America. So, let's dive right in and start from the beginning of America. Did you know that the first immigrants to the United States were Native Americans, who arrived around 12,000 years ago? They were followed by the Europeans, who began to settle in the 16th century. These early immigrants were mainly from England, Spain, and France. Fast forward to the 19th century, and we see a massive influx of immigrants from Europe, particularly from Ireland, Italy, and Germany. These newcomers brought with them their cultures, traditions, and skills, which played a vital role in shaping America's identity. In the 20th century, we saw a shift in immigration patterns, with more people coming from Latin America and Asia. This diversity has enriched our nation and made it the melting pot it is today. Immigrants have always been a driving force behind America's growth and prosperity. They've contributed to our economy, our culture, and our society in countless ways. They've been entrepreneurs, innovators, and leaders in their fields. They've also been hardworking laborers, helping to build our infrastructure and create the products we use every day. In conclusion, immigrants have played a pivotal role in shaping America into the nation it is today. They've been a source of strength, resilience, and creativity. So, let's celebrate their contributions and continue to welcome new immigrants who will help us build an even better future. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more inspiring content. Until next time, stay positive and keep making a difference.